Hey everyone, and welcome to our chapter on evaluating values and variables as booleans. Essentially, we could go ahead and take any value or any variable and convert it into a boolean. Basically, what that means is anything can be converted into true or false. So essentially, any string that holds a value, essentially a non-empty string, is going to be true. And any number that is different from 0 is going to be true. And it doesn't matter if we're evaluating a value or if we're evaluating a variable. It means the same exact thing. And you can see that right over here. When we run this code, this and this essentially are going to evaluate to true, all of them. However, most values that are empty will evaluate to false. What that means is, if we have false, of course, it's converted to false. If we have none, that's also going to be converted to false. However, 0 is going to be converted into false because in binary, 0 means not true or false or empty. An empty string is going to be converted into false. Empty parenthesis, or essentially an empty tuple, is going to be converted into false. An empty string or an empty dictionary or set. All of these are false values.